Not again!
Sir, you might want to put your fingers in your ears.
I don't know where those two are or what they're plotting, but it won't work. This car is simply invincible.
Bigger than I was expecting, Constable.
Yes, sir, it was, sir.
And it's that fast because it's got a very clever gearbox. It's called a...
Is it German?
Oh, it's a German name, and it's
Oh,
really
God.
complicated. So let me just spell this out. It's a DOPPELKUPPLUNG. SGETRIE.
Oh, hello, it looks like Constable Hammond's got the hang of tank driving.
The first thing you need to know is, I have an erection.
Yes, look at this. Look at this. Very brilliant. Ah! Oh my God! If you're watching this in the edit, make sure that doesn't go on television. I want people thinking it's a death trap. Ah! It happened again. Let me edit that out as well. I've never been frightened of a Citroen Picasso before, and it just was. Man! Oh, I'm gonna weave on. Oh, yes, help me! Help! Help! How fast is that now? 34! Ah, lorry! Oh, a lot of poo shot out, man!
We are off. Yeah, it's just warming up.
Here we go.
Excuse me, sir, my moustache would like a word with you if you'd like to step out of the vehicle. You're nicked, sunshine.
What did I do? How long?
8 seconds.
Do you know, another fault...
Did it?
Yeah, very, very similar.
it?
It manifested itself similarly to the last one that I repaired.
Tell that to the judge,
Yeah.
sunshine.
Right.
Look at that.
What?
He was a member of a gym.
He was not.
Could we have murdered someone a bit smaller?
Not really, it's all that was there. Anyway,
It's the only way we could catch.
anyone smaller would have been faster.
Come on,
One
James.
of those things that comes quite
The
naturally.
police could be on their
Yeah, I
way.
know, but I can't lift him up. 3, 2, 1, and up.
No, it's not working.
He's just like...
Okay.
This was hopeless. So rather embarrassingly, we had to ask the man we'd murdered to give us a hand.
It's not so much the head, it's everything else that's got to follow that's the problem.
Right, so all we've got to do now is saw his leg. Wait a minute.
Just get that in there.
No, bend that back there, around there.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, excellent.
Right, now, the great thing about the Rolls-Royce is it has self-levelling rear suspension, so when the boot is shut, you won't know from the way it's riding that there is a body in there.
So the boot won't go down. Right, you get him out and put him in the back of the Benz.
What?
Get him out.
Sadly, there's a fridge in the boot of the Merc which takes up a lot of room.
Is that it? Can you move
That's...
that knee?
No, Jeff.
That meant our dead body wouldn't fit.
No, Jeff.
Nobody wants to see that.
And even though he did fit in the Bentley, there was still a problem.
Mate,
Yeah.
I can see him.
That is a drawback.
Clearly.
You might as well just put him in the passenger seat.
Okay, now, let's see the slow motion crash footage.
We're going to crash. Oh, my nose.
think we've fooled them?
Yeah.
Okay,
We're alive.
We're alive!
Wow, that was...
It's not even marked.
Oh, man, that was...
staggering. I think this is very convincing. Okay, it is now time to watch that crash at the speed it actually happened.
We're going to crash.
Oh, my nose.
Oh, my chest.
After tea, the sun came out, so we hit the coast road and went for a nice cruise.
So I tried a reverse bump start.
He's done that wrong.
Ah, the brake!
No, you can't.
Come off!
Maybe, actually, it suddenly dawned upon me that he isn't very bright.
I think he could be a massive idiot. How long will he go before?
Well,
Oh no! We'll just get it away from the wall.
Steepest hill in Albania you've broken down on.
while we examined the engine, the orangutan tried to mend the door. Better thing to do.
So you just put that up at the side of the road
There's no need to demonstrate!
How did you think that was going to go? How did you think that was going to work? You great chunky ape.
Do you know what, honestly, I'd rather just crap myself.
And pretty soon, I was ready to start work.
It's a lovely material to work with, aluminium, because it bends. Car makers can learn a lot from this simple system I've adopted. Ow! Ow. I'm sorry, gentlemen, this is the worst painting I've ever seen in my entire life, and it's not coming.
Or is it?
Really?
See, maybe this is a commentary on the superhuman, almost alien nature of a Formula One driver at this level. Because clearly, this isn't human. I mean, that much is immediately apparent. And what it's done is suck the life out of this corpse in the overalls here. That's leaning forwards. All of that's gone, drained out by this creature.
You're right. This is coming with us. This is properly amazing stuff. We should have used more than two. This, they're calling it eau de voiture.
Oh, sounds promising.
What you do is you spray it into your car, and as you... It makes it smell like a minicab.
Oh, it's quite strong.
Have some of that.
But it is like a mini.
Because it smells... Oh, lies!
You cretin!
Blind.
I think you may have overdone it slightly on the closing the tailgate, Stig.
And, ready? Good. Fire! Pretty quick. I think he'll agree. What?
What the hell was that?
I'm just going to get in.
30 seconds. Waste of time.
2 minutes, mate, I'm sorry.
He's got 10 minutes. I'm having him.
8 minutes 55. It's you.
You're in good shape, my man. I can look after you.
There you go, sir.
With the patients carefully loaded,
Get in.
Richard and I were on our way.
Patient to hospital.
Hammond, you blithering idiot!
My plums!
The RAC has launched this. They're calling it eau de voiture.
Oh, sounds promising.
What you do is you spray it into your car, and as you... It makes it smell like a minicab.
Oh, it's quite strong.
Have some of that.
But it is like a mini.
Because it smells... Oh, lies!
You cretin!
Blind. A cool, refreshing communist water. Jeez! I could buy that for Hammond. That could be his present.